Pacific salmon number. This is so fucking disturbing. They're under 10,000. They only got 300 the last few days. There's no gill netting. There's netting on the Steelhead coming home from sea. I'm telling you, down 99%. This is beyond scary. This is the greatest story in the world. The fucking Steelhead number in the Pacific Ocean on the Columbia River. It's the biggest story on the face of the earth. The collapse of the 9 miles of fucking marine life washing up on the Baja, California, and the fisherman comes right out. He says it's a hot column of water coming directly from Japan. The elephant in the room, this is the greatest story in the history of humanity. Maybe I can get 120 fucking views. I'm telling you, it's a... Oh boy. I ain't gonna quit you. I ain't gonna quit you. All we need is a miracle! You never had any time. You never had any cause. You went out of your way just to hurt me. Why? Attack Kevin Blanche? Why? Yeah, you thought you were being cool. You thought you were being strong. You were getting paid. You thought you were on the winning team. Know what you got till it's gone. If I ever catch up with you. Extinction on the fucking salmon. Wow. I'm gonna cry. All I need is a miracle. I already got mine.